Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, and this time I'm going to show you 5 quick and easy mods you should actually do to your S550 Mustang. Stay tuned. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do like this particular video, then please give me that thumbs up. So in this video I'm going to show you 5 mods that I've done to my Mustang which I think you should definitely do to yours, which I think make the biggest difference to the car for the least amount of money. So without further ado, let's begin. So as you're probably aware, the boot is supplied with very low powered struts, so when you remotely open it, all it does is just slightly open, as you can see here. So to fix this, what you need is to install the stronger boot poppers that allow you to open it like this. Oh, look at that! So these are the ones that I went for, and these are from Tinted and was £102 or $142. And there's 2 types available. One is for cars without a large rear wing, and one is for cars that do have a large rear wing. And mine, as you probably saw, did have the rear wing, so therefore I've got the latter ones. Once you have these fitted, you can double press the boot unlock button and it just pops up like so, which I think is brilliant. So the next mods are kind of cosmetic, but also allow a degree of protection. I'm talking about the door catch and the door check strap. So without these covers, these areas look a little bit industrial, but the addition of these covers make them look way better, and just covers up basically exposed metalwork. There's many different types of these ones that you can actually get. Mine has got the GT written on the top of them. You can get them with the pony on there or anything really, so it's just up to you which you want to buy. And these can really just stop the water dropping onto the actual hinge point that's down there, and again they just cover up what looks pretty industrial, and I think that looks really nice, and it's a great addition to the car. These again were both from AliExpress, and the door catch covers were £5 or $7, and the door check strap covers were £6.50 or $9. If, like me, you intend to do your own work on your car, then you definitely need these Tinted jacking rails. These are metal rails which are bolted alongside the seam weld underneath the car and will enable easy jacking up of the car for working on. I was never comfortable sporting a car on the seam welds with the axle stands, so to make it safer for me and also easy to jack up, I decided to install these. They are brilliant and dead easy to install. These again were from Tinted and cost me £175 or $232. So from day one I've never liked the rear end of my Mustang due to the rear lights actually being white. A few options to rectify this are available, one of them being tinting the rear lights in some way or by installing tinted lens covers. I went for the tinted lens covers. These are relatively cheap and dead easy to install and make a world difference to the look of the car. Just look at the difference between this before and after picture. These were from AliExpress and cost me £36 or $50. Get them fitted, they're absolutely brilliant. Unbelievably, this top of the range car only comes with this metal bar to actually hold open the bonnet or the hood. Just about all the modern cars that I've had recently do not have the bar but have actually struts to hold the hood open, so you can get rid of this bar and it's just held up with the struts. So to solve this, I fitted these Ford Performance struts to my car. These are available from many different places, but I decided to go with the Ford Performance ones, and these cost me £127 or $168. I hope that's inspired you guys to fit some quick and easy mods to your Mustang, which didn't really cost you that much money but can make such a big difference to the ownership of the vehicle. So there you go guys, if you like this type of content then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this particular video then don't forget to give me that thumbs up. It all helps with the YouTube statistics. And thanks again for watching, and until the next time, stay safe.